Let's make a crown. Zigzag up and down, 5 points. Your turn. Close the bottom. A band across. A jewel on the tallest point. A blue jewel. A green one to match. One more on the band. Great job!